Till now, we use the web interface of Airtable, but you can download and install the desktop application of Airtable. It has the same user interface, and when you go on Home, you see all of your bases, and when you go on All Workspaces, you see all of the workspaces related to your account. In this account, I have two workspaces. One is my first workspace, which is on the Airtable free plan, and one is Business 24 AI, which is on the Airtable paid team plan. For this tutorial, we go on Templates and Apps and open Project Management. As we have multiple workspaces, we can define on which workspace we want to install this template. I choose Business 24 AI because it is on the Airtable paid team plan. And this template has some Gantt charts, which you can only see on the paid team plan. This template has three interfaces. In getting started, you see a list of views. As you can see, 5 of the views are in the section Work, as you can see here too. And 2 views are on section Management. You can access them on the left side, and when you go on My Tasks, you see all of the tasks related to yourself or the person who is logged in. Next, we have Projects and Tasks. Here you can, for example, add directly a task to your base. Or you can go over here and filter your projects. Then we have Schedule. Here it is a Gantt chart, and you can only view it when you are on the paid plan. The next one is Kanban. Here, for example, you can move one task from one column to other one, and with this you will change the status from to do to in progress, and so on. Then you have Roadmap. Here you group some of your tasks in one project, and you can see when this project will start and when finished. Then you go to your Management section. Here you have some insights to your project, and then you can go to Teams, and here, for example, you can filter based if your team members are full-time or contractor. And that is an overview of this template. When we go back, you are on your workspace, and here when you click your workspace and change the view to the list view, you see we have added 3 interfaces, and when you scroll down, you see you have added one base too. You can start this base, and when you start a base, it will be listed under the Home menu for faster access. And when you click on Project Management Base, you can see the tables. The first table is People, and you can see the photos. The next one is Projects, and the last table is Tasks. And this table has some special fields. Here you can see, for example, Start, and when you click on Edit Field, you have here a Configure gear. When you click on this, you see to create a Gantt chart, you have to have special fields. One field has act as a start date, the other one as an end date, then duration and predecessors, so that you have a relationship between your task. But we will cover all this in our coming videos. So I close this and go back to our workspace. Here, if you want, you can change back to your web interface and you see the same information. And here, if you want, you can see that we have some bases and some interfaces. And when you go on Home, you see all of your bases are divided in your workspace. And when you scroll down, you see some of the bases are not listed in your workspaces. These are bases which are shared with you. And you can filter it over here, shared with you, and you see these 2 bases are created in another Airtable account and is only shared with you. Then here you can see all of your bases, or if you want, you can filter based on your stars, but you can see it over here too. And this was a short overview of Airtable UI and the Airtable desktop application.